It is so good to see all of you here today, and it is definitely not a coincidence that we are all seated here under one roof together.
Welcome to the LBS Group TownHall Feast 2024. They celebrate diversity, strengthen unity. Whether you are LBS or MGBs, we celebrate together and we unite together.
In the count of 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially launched the LBS Group TownHall Feast 2024.
Coming together, recognizing our individual strength and celebrate the richness that diversity brings to LBS community.
We hope that you understand how important you are. I only want you to remember 5 words: sustainable employer, sustainable employee, relevant, flexible, and positive.
Today we have over 800 over 50. I feel very happy because unity is very important. LBS best.